There is just something so unique and versatile about these cute little pieces of nature, whether real or faux, that are perfect for any home decor project. Wood slices add such warmth and rustic charm to your decor. It's no secret that these little slices of the outdoors have become so popular these days, and luckily so many people have created the cutest ideas on how to decorate with them. Do-it-yourself crafts featuring these inexpensive wooden slices are not only fascinating but can also bring great satisfaction, as they are such a statement piece of decor for your home. You'll find it so gratifying building and creating your own unique pieces that can be used for years to come and will be a hot topic of conversation when you have guests in your home. Whether you are looking for a wooden decor piece for your wall, a centerpiece for your table, or for a special event or holiday, you have come to the right place. Check out these beautiful, yet simple wooden projects and decorations that bring the charm of the outdoors into your home. Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel. Today we have brought to you creative wooden log and slice home decor ideas for beginners for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own pieces at home. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Wood is such a charismatic material. It has such a natural charm and effuse any interior design setting with a warm, cozy look. Wooden furniture adds a creative, chic and sophisticated appeal to the entire room. Only a few materials are as versatile and adaptable and can offer a wide range of marvelous interior design ideas, from a rustic or vintage feel right up to the most modern, artistic of spaces. While it's common to spot cabinets, beds, tables and chairs in a home carved out of wood, wall art and painted walls are the trendiest and newest ways of utilizing wood as an exclusive decor piece. Wood has been a material that has been used for generations in home decor items. This leads to one of the greatest advantages of wood decor. It is not a fad. Wood decor will always impact interior decoration, whether for wall art decor or rustic farmhouse cabinetry. It will not go out of style or pass into memory as other things such as shag carpets. Wood has been with us since man shaped the first tools, and it will remain with us. Wood use as art has existed just as long as its use for furniture, home decor, or primitive tools. It can be used in both modern and rustic settings. Often within urban settings, people will seek out items such as wall art which bring more of a natural feel and life to their world. When it comes to its beauty, there are few things that can compare. Naturally, wood comes in various colors, textures, and as it grows, the wood grain which is created is unique from tree to tree. It becomes its own fingerprint. This makes each piece of timber unique. Aside from its beauty, wood is low maintenance and sturdy. As home interior decor, rough handling is typically never a problem, and often it will shake off minor abuse before it's stressed to breaking. Pieces can last for many generations. Disadvantages of wooden furniture. Wood destroying pests. Wood can be destroyed by a variety of pests that are attracted to it. Some common wood-destroying pests are carpenter bees, carpenter ants, termites, powder post beetles, and wood-devouring fungi. These pests are difficult to identify and quite expensive to eradicate. They can do a great amount of damage that'll be virtually invisible until it's too late to repair. Moisture. Even wood that's treated to withstand moisture could become susceptible to wet rot and fungus because of moist conditions over time. The best preventive measure in this situation is to simply use a material that doesn't have this vulnerability, because treating wood moisture issues is expensive. In applications where high moisture is a consideration, non-porous materials and plastics are often used. Warping. Factors that can make wood warp are age, temperature, and environmental humidity. Wood may warp by shrinking, swelling, or twisting, depending on the conditions. This means that the choice of wood may reduce functionality in many fine calculation applications, like around window frames and in doorways, if the environmental conditions do not meet specific requirements. Burning. Because wood is flammable, it is not the most ideal material to use in applications where fire safety may be a concern. What's worse is that some kinds of treated wood can emit toxic chemicals like arsenic. This can be fatal in closed spaces. Durability. While certain varieties of wood in association with different types of wood treatments have enhanced the general durability of wood greatly, there still are many applications for which wood is unsuitable due to durability issues. Synthetic materials and metals are often used in place of wood in cases where material needs to withstand high weight loads, extremely low or high temperatures, and high impact. Durability issues have increased the use of alternatives such as plastics in the case of traditionally all-wood applications like fences. The materials in this case can last longer with lesser maintenance and can be formed to give the appearance of wood. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of creative wooden log and slice home decor ideas for beginners for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in comments section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your next design from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel and smashes the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, like and shares are what inspire us to create more contents. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you have not already. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and blessed.